Good morning. This is John Kielec. I'm the admin of the DailyNetPay and its private trade share where I trade Forex markets and Bitcoin, and I share some of the results from my profitable trading with DailyNetPay members in the form of advertising shares. This is Saturday morning, December 7th, but this update is for trading results for the week of Monday, December 2nd to December 6th, 2019. And as you are seeing on the screen right now, we have the trading results for that week. We have week's profit of 3.62%. Owanda, we use two brokers, Owanda, which we trade Forex market, and FX Choice, where we trade Forex market as well as Bitcoin. We don't use cryptocurrency exchanges because they are not regulated and are kind of risky, as we had some issues in the past. So we use these two. Owanda, this week we had 2 wins. We had no losses in there. We have currently 2 open trades. In FX Choice, we had 12 wins, 2 losses, 3 open trades. Total for the week, the wins, we had 14. Losses, we had 2. And open trades, 5. So we had moderate trading profits. But there's going to be something about these open trades. So as you look on the left side, it was kind of a pretty good trading week with moderate profits, as we only had 2 losses. And we did reach our weekly DNP private trade share target of 3.5%. The DailyNetPay, okay, is the passive opportunity. You can earn passively, and also you can earn commissions from referring others if they purchase DNP at pack number 1, where they're going to get $5 referral commission, and if your new member purchases a DNP at pack number 2, you're going to get $10, and if they're going to sponsor somebody else, you're going to get also from their members $5 commission. So these are the structure of DailyNetPay. Simple and right to the point. All right. Now, about the open trades. Due to our current 5 open trades, the funds which are locked in those trades, this reduces our weekly profits. I believe these 5 open trades that we have will become profitable next week. But once again, the DailyNetPay, the set, for the week, we do adjustments at the end of the week, if either higher or lower. And we have also DNP Reserve Fund, but our main goal is to produce 3.5% of profits for members, but no matter what, you still get paid. So let's go to the charts, and I'm going to show you what kind of week we had. You are looking at 8 trades. Okay, these are the Forex markets trades, and that's what I trade. And I play little games with other European markets as well. So we're going to start off with USD and Canadian dollars. So I'm going to enlarge that and just going to give you, okay, this is open trade still. It's a long-term trend, and we still have a little bit of money tied up in this trend. In this trade. And you can see we're way down here, and the price is way up there. It kind of started to go down, but on the Friday, yesterday, prices went up. I was hoping that's going to come down and put us in profit, but that didn't happen. So that's one of the open trades. Next is British Pound and USD. And each box represents each day: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, we had few trades in here. We had a good trade in here, profitable trade in here, and some profitable trades in here. It's a strong uptrend, and I think Monday morning we're going to get in here see what happens, what kind of opening it is. But it looks like it's going to be a trend up, so we're going to probably go long in this for this market. Next is British pound, Canadian dollar, and same thing in here. We had one losing trade in here. Okay, when we have one losing trade and we have another open trade. All right, this trade is 4 down, and you can see the market went. Our stop is was somewhere over here, so it's pretty close to the stop loss. But I believe this market, it's in an uptrend, even though we have a trade that is open for prices to go down. I don't know what happened in here on Tuesday. It was a quick decision, but it was a wrongful decision. It should have went for prices up. But anyways, if we get close, we got pretty close. This actually trade was in the profit by Wednesday, but then it you know, went up and down. Then yesterday, Friday, it almost got in here. I was hoping that's going to get, you know, a couple, about 50, 100 bucks profit in here, and I'm going to close the trade, but that didn't happen. But I believe it's going to come back down here. If not, well, it's going to be one of the losing trades for next week. But I don't look that way. I don't like losing trades. All right, so I believe the market's going to come down. But that's what it is with trading. Okay, next thing we have British pound, Japanese yen. We had, this was one of our best trading markets. We had 3 trades in here. There was like hedge trends in FX and quite successful trades in here. We went for prices down a bit over here, and we did quite well. There was another trade in here. We did quite well for prices up. So beginning of this week, this was where the most of the profits came in. Okay, and British pound, BTC, okay, Bitcoin. Like you can see this trade is live, but we trade on FX. FX is closed. Monday through Friday, I only trade 5 days a week. Weekends are off. And we have open trade up here. So we got to get it up to about $80, $100 for Bitcoin to go up there. It's in, currently Bitcoin is in a downtrend. Okay, it's even showing a little bit temporary uptrend, but the major trend is downtrend. So hopefully it's going to get up there sooner or later, because we have a little bit cash tied up in here. That's why I'm talking about those 2 open trades. They kind of, if we leave open trades over the weekend and some are bigger trades, that cash, the funds are locked in for those trades. That kind of puts pressure on our weekly profits, but you know, the money's still there. All we can do is get stopped out and lose $500-600 or per trade, that is. And I don't want to do that, because I believe the market will get up there. So that's for Bitcoin. Next we have British pound and Swiss franc. There was no trades in here. Oh, no, there was one trade in here beginning of the week, 2 trades over here beginning of the week, and they were successful trades. So, you know, they were pretty good trades as well. GBP, British pound, Australian dollar. Okay, once again, there was that's that second losing trade right in here. Okay, that would happen in here, and there was another trade over here was successful, and it's, you know, these trends are up. So we'll see what happens with British pound, Australian dollar. It's and the moving average is crossing. This is in the middle, so we'll see. Looking for prices to go up for next week. And lastly, British pound, New Zealand dollar. Okay, there was no trades in here. We did not touch that market this week. Okay, there was no trades, no profits for this week. But I got another one, USD, and I'm kind of testing the Euro and USD, Euro AUD. Okay, like you can see. I did a test. We got the small profit in here, but I'm just testing a strategy that I am learning. Well, not learning, actually. I got this strategy from somebody else. they have successfully used for many years. So I'm kind of, this is for like European, New Zealand dollar, okay, so Australian dollar and this and that. So that's the markets I'm going to be using. All up here is like, you know, American, the British pound and stuff like that. But I want to get into these markets. There are opportunities better than some of the British pound, then we're going to trade that. So like I say, I did test over here. We got a small winning trade, but there was a target 1, target 2. So I'm going to see how this works. It looks pretty good. I believe the target 1 is going to be achieved, but we exited this trade because over here it started going down. So I got kind of skeptical and okay, rather take the profits instead of going down and have another open trade. But anyways, we'll see. I'll keep you posted how this goes, but it looks pretty good. The trader that I am associating with, the system that I am applying to this is about 90% accurate. So that means it gets about 1 to 2 trades the most, you know, losing out of 10 trades, so that's not bad. Even if, you know, I'll settle for 70%. So we'll see what happens. All right. So these are the stats for this week, and like you can see, you know, we had a fairly good week. I am hoping if we didn't have this open trades, this would be around 8-9%, but that's the way it is. We have the funds locked up. Now, what I just want to tell you, okay, the stats will be posted in our DNP video stats. This is all the trades for the past year. Okay, any new member or anybody who wants to see the past results, they're all listed in here. If you're a member of DailyNetPay, well, we have something special for you. This is our DNP DailyNetPay news site. There's some ads up here, but over here, on a 70-day advertising campaign where you can earn that $5 and $10 commissions and some bonuses. Okay, when you click on here, it's actually free advertising. Okay, free advertising, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. If you make these posts, I give you some suggestions in here. If you got paid, you know, we have members that use 50-50. They withdraw 1 week, then they set the compound off. Some members are withdrawing on a weekly basis. Every weekend is payday with DailyNetPay, from Friday, Saturday, finished by late Sunday evening. But anyways, I give you some suggestions in here because if you post in our Facebook group, DailyNetPay Facebook group, basically put it in here. This was last week. Nobody's putting there over here. Tom or Nancy did. Okay, see this autoresponder link or capture pages? That's taken from your DailyNetPay members area. Put that in there. Good for you, Nancy. Okay, but Tom hasn't done it. Make a comment. You know, you can use one of these suggestions over here that I'm doing for you. Just put your URL in for the capture page, your autoresponder link, and if you log into your DailyNetPay members area, you go to URLs and banners, and this is all your autoresponder links, okay? We got 10, 11 of them in here. Autoresponder links, it's capture pages. Like, okay, you know, this is pretty popular, see, and any prospect that fills out, you get to see that prospect in your members area. So this is where you get paid. If you're on a compound system, that almost pretty well counts as a payout because we take that earnings and we, instead of you withdrawing into your solid trust pay, which you have to pay fees, then you're going to repurchase again and pay fees again. Compounding saves money on transaction fees. You only want to set up compound when you want to withdraw the money and keep the money. But we have some members that withdraw on a weekly basis. Then by Monday morning, they go back and buy from Solid Trust Pay. That's double the fees. That's like $5 in transaction fees. Why do that? Set the compound on. But anyways, that's your choice. You want to prefer that way, see if you're getting paid. We're paying nonstop. DailyNetPay has been paying out for many, many years. We've been around here for many years, and we're solid and reliable, dependable, stable. It's something that, you know, you can be proud of to be partnered with, be part of it, and If you refer anybody, you earn $5, $10 commissions as well. But anyways, if you post your link in here, okay, this is this week, DNP weekly stats ending Friday, December 6th. All earnings, payouts, compounds being processed. Actually, the DNP PTS compounds are already completed. The DNP private trade shares earnings, along with DNP referral commissions, being paid out. Okay, and all will be completed by Sunday night. Now, note, DNP and referral commissions, okay, with private trade shares. If you have earnings from DNP referral commissions, and you also have earnings from private trade shares, we combine them together, and your compound is on. We're going to compound your total. And basically, you know, anytime you have $20 minimum, they're going to be compounded. So how you get compounds, how you know your stats, commissions, this is my stats, okay? Don't worry about the date. See in here, current earnings, like over here, if you have 21 bucks or 20 bucks or something, as long as there's $20, then it's going to be. I had 100 bucks in here, and you can see yesterday I purchased 5 more. Actually, I took out, I got paid in Bitcoin, 5 private trade shares matured, okay. I got a $5 commission over here for this guy. On the 30th, now you can see your commissions down here. It's a big list of your stats going under commissions. But anyways, in here, current earnings, as long as you have money in here, you can withdraw, compound, whatever. And the maximum is $15,000, which I this week reached the $15,000. So I am still to be paid out $14,400. Okay, I can show this account. Hopefully the hackers are not going to be going galore on my side. But there are several other members who have these stats as well, and they're earning well over $600 per month, paid on a weekly basis. So, okay, so that's what I'm talking about when I talk about these. Once everything is done in here, and then this will change, that all DNP will be paid out. So same thing if you have Twitter, okay? You see in here, go in Twitter, go to John Kielec, Make Freedom, okay? And you see this, make some posting. Post your link in here, okay? You can earn quite a bit of money in commissions. And you're going to be, as he's saying in free advertising, I'm going to include you in Facebook Co-op Advertising Rotator. This rotator is actually, as of New Year's, going to be a co-op rotator for Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And same thing with LinkedIn, okay? If you go to the LinkedIn account, log in, put some comments in here where you get paid. Positive comments, put your referral link, put from your opportunity URL banners, use one of these and put it in your comment. And that's simple. You get commissions, the big referral commissions for bringing others, and you get paid both ways. So ladies and gentlemen, dear members, this is it for today, Saturday, December 7th. Christmas just around the corner. It's busy time. I didn't make any updates during the week because it's keeping me busy with trading and other things. So I wish you a profitable next week. Have a super fun-filled weekend. Be safe out there because this is a season of the seasons, a very busy time of the year. So a lot of traffic, a lot of people everywhere. I wish you nothing but the best, and God bless. Until next week.